So today we're going to sort out this patchy bit of lawn. So I've got my lawnmower, I've got a rake for thatching, I've got a fork for aeration, I've got a rake for spreading the soil, we've got a bag of topsoil, and we've got our seeds. So let's show you what we're going to do. So my first job is to cut the lawn with the mower, and then we're going to remove the hatch with the rake. Then we're going to aerate the garden with the fork, and then we're going to create a level lawn using our soil and our rake, and then we're going to overseed with our seed, and then we're going to water it in. So I'm going to do a time lapse of doing all that, so let's go. So there we go, we've cut the grass, we took the thatch off and the moss off, we aerated it with the fork. You can use machines, but old traditional way with the fork. We've put down a level of topsoil, we've added our seeds, we've raked it flat. Now we've got to give it a water. So it's best to water it in the morning and then in the evening, keeping it moist. Then we should have a lovely patch of grass again.